Well, conditions are really good today on opening day because we've had great snowmaking temperatures for the last month, and we've just produced a lot of snow. We haven't had a lot of natural snow, but we've produced a lot of man-made snow, and we are open to our midway unloading, and the Broadway trail is open, and all of our beginner terrain is open. The conditions are great. Temperatures are not super cold, and come on out.
We just got back from Oklahoma and we got here and started skiing, and the snow was great.
For man-made snow, it is awesome. It's awesome because Yellow has a train park.
The snow is great, all the way up to the midpoint. Skied the whole mountain, and then I went down to the Yellow area. It was great also.
My family and I have been skiing all morning on Broadway, and it's been awesome. Come on up.